मेरे साथ प्रॉम्प्ट आने के लिए तुम सबको 3 डिपार्टमेंट में ब्रिलियंट होना होगा एंड दैट इज गुड लुक्स एंड गुड लुक्स. People are saying, oh, करना क्या होता है, you just have to create a 30-second reel, but that 30-second reel minimum takes me 30 days. I think if you're putting yourself in the public eye or on the public platform, you should be very much ready to, receive a lot of hate.
Hi guys, welcome to Z Media India.com. My name is Simran Keswani and today with us we have a prominent digital creator who not only looks like Kareena Kapoor but she also talks, walks and breathes like Kareena Kapoor. So please welcome the very beautiful and talented Asmita Gupta.
Thank you so much Simran and thank you so much India.com and Z News for having me and giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much for being here Asmita. So firstly मुझे आपसे ये जानना है कि Instagram पे तो सब आपको जानते ही है करीना कपूर की डोपलगैंगर के लिए लेकिन क्या ऐसे रियल लाइफ में भी हुआ है कि कभी किसी ने आपकी पिक्चर ली हो या somebody mistook you for Kareena Kapoor?
I'd say that the resemblance is not uncanny, but of course people do recognize me by the work that I do and the content I create. So they do come up to me for a picture and एक जब भी मेट का dialogue, something like that.
Right, lovely. So Asmita, just take us from the top. Talk about your journey. What were you doing before you were a content creator, and how did you manifest it into being a full-time content creator?
Actually, this all came very organically. I never actually manifested this thing, but currently I'm manifesting that now. But I was in my college and I randomly started making these TikTok videos, and one day one of my bodyguard reel went viral. It literally blew up, and people were like, "You look like Kareena. Make more of Kareena reels." And then I was like, "Okay, there's no stopping now."
Right. So इससे पहले what were you doing?
I was doing my political science honors from Delhi University.
Okay, so job नहीं, सीधा full time content creation.
I was doing my political science honors, then I did my masters in English. I also completed French diploma till B1 level. So I never wanted to do anything related to studies. I was always interested in makeup and acting or something like that.
Right.
And this came, as I said, this came very organically, and I made a career out of it.
That's amazing. So आप ये जो videos बनाते हो, recreational videos, somebody who also makes content, I can vouch for it कि बहुत मेहनत लगती है. Starting from the outfits, आप तो expression और dialogues भी exactly same करते हो. तो tell us about that. क्या जाता है? What goes behind it?
Actually, it does take a lot of effort. People are saying, oh, करना क्या होता है, you just have to create a 30-second reel. But that 30-second reel minimum takes me 30 days, especially the recreational videos, because I am like a very well organized and tip to toe person. I am like concentrated on the details कि मुझे exact same चाहिए. Of course, I don't have Manish Malhotra with me, so I have to create everything on my own. So I do have my own tailor and मैं same fabric लाती हूँ, same borders लाती हूँ. So it does take a lot of time, and the expression part and the choreography, or if it's the dialogue, it does take me around like a week or so to get into the mode, to get into the zone of recreating Kareena's video.
तो 30 days पहले आप तैयारी शुरू करते हो और शूट में कितना टाइम लगता है?
Shoot में it takes me around 3 to 4 hours, yes.
All right.
After that the edit is done.
Okay. So जैसे कि बहुत सारे content creators से हम बात करते हैं for this series. So a lot of content creators have always said कि you have to keep surprising your audience every now and then. So I want to know this from you, that how do you ensure and how do you strike that balance कि monotony भी ना रहे और आप अपना जो essence है, जो करीना कपूर factor है, वो भी रखो.
This is why मैं करीना कपूर recreational videos में इतनी जल्दी अपलोड नहीं करती हूँ. It's like maybe in a month or maybe in 2 months I just bring on the bang like that. क्योंकि अगर मैं बार-बार वो पोस्ट करते रहूँगी, people will be like, oh, you're only recreating Kareena's videos. So I do everything from get ready with me to talking get ready with me to people getting to know about my facts, or makeup videos or even funny videos, relatable videos. Right. So I keep doing everything. I keep surprising audience that अभी ये आ गया and then suddenly एकदम से करीना वाली वीडियो आ जाएगी. But I do give a trailer before that.
Right. सबसे highest engagement किस में आती है, करीना कपूर वाली में या बाकी वीडियोस में?
Actually, touch wood, I'm blessed. मुझे engagement अच्छी मिल जाती है almost on every of my reel. But of course, the Kareena Kapoor reel, it definitely goes viral.
All right. So there's this one question that I ask to every creator, which is about social media trolling. I think it's a part and parcel of a content creator. If there's a good, if there's audience that says good things about you, there's also another section of society that can sometimes be really mean. So I want to know that have you faced trolling या ऐसा कुछ incident हुआ and that took a toll on your mental health?
I think if you're putting yourself in the public eye or on the public platform, you should be very much ready to receive a lot of hate and at the same time receive a lot of love as well. But I don't know why, but maybe I was bullied a lot as a teenager in school, so I've always developed a thick skin, and it very naturally comes a filter on me that I do not get onto the hate part. I do not take it on me. Same goes for the love part as well. Of course, I'm sometimes on cloud 9 that I'm receiving so much of love. Yeah. But the hate part, yes, it does take a toll on you at times. but of course I have my family support, and there are so many people who love me. Of course there are people also who hate me,
Right.
but I tend to focus more on the love part.
That's amazing. That's how it should be.
Absolutely.
And talking about competition now, हमने देखा है 2020 के बाद there has been a certain spike in the number of content creators, right? तो कभी ऐसा होता है कि ऐसा कोई दिमाग में thought आता है कि how would you shine through the pool of other creators, or how should I create content which is different from other people?
I think the content I'm creating by God's grace is actually very different, you know, so I do not tend to get into the competition part, and even if I were to get into the pool of that, I would just, you know, try to remain myself and, you know, contain my authenticity,
Right.
and that's how you can always shine through.
Right. And talk about the evolution in this industry that you've seen since आप इसमें काफ़ी time से हो. So what is the kind of evolution that you've seen, and where do you see this industry going?
I think the evolution I've seen is in the acceptance. Actually, the people are now recognizing content creation as a legit job.
Right.
Otherwise, it was, you know, supposed to be a side hustle. Oh, iske job ke saath you're doing content creation. But no, content creation is like a full-time job. It's not 9 to 5. It's like 24/7 job. It's actually much more tougher. You know.
Right.
So I think evolution is in this, that people are now accepting that ye bhi ek legit job hai. You can earn through it, and you can earn good through it.
Right.
So I like this change, and this change has happened in my family as well. Earlier, my mother was not very much accepting of me doing this, but you know, when she saw that I'm doing good, people are loving my content, and you can also earn through it. She was like,
Right.
okay, she gave me a heads up, you can go ahead now.
Lovely, lovely.
Yes, but I think now, like in every house, you can find a content creator,
Absolutely.
and I love that fact.
Yeah, me too. So that was a very insightful round. अब हम कुछ fun round करते हैं.
Absolutely.
So I'm gonna ask you some question, this or that, and you have to say it like Kareena Kapoor.
Okay. All right.
Are you ready?
Absolutely.
Okay. Free collab with Gucci or paid collab with a small brand?
Free collab with Gucci anytime.
Kareena Kapoor as Geet or Kareena Kapoor as Pooh?
Pooh. Anytime, Pooh.
Lovely. One rumor about influencers which is actually true.
Which is actually true. Am I supposed to say this? I don't think I can. No, I can't answer this. I'm going to get into the controversies. I don't want that.
Love it. Okay. 3 pros and cons of being an influencer.
Their first pro is like, you know, you get a lot of recognition, which of course, you know, it's appreciable. Second, I think you get lots of PRs and hampers, you know.
Yeah.
I think that's a good part for me. Third, you
Absolutely.
can get to, you know, work from the ease of your home. Cons, of course, you get a lot of hate. It takes a toll on you, on your mental health. That's it. I don't think there's any other.
Love that. Okay. So before I let you go, I would want you to say some dialogues of Kareena Kapoor. कोई भी 2-3 dialogues जो आपके favorite हो.
Absolutely. I think everyone's favorite is like, मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. And I think I can say, कौन सा वाला? Maybe something related to Pooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that मेरे साथ प्रॉम्प्ट जाने के लिए तुम सबको 3 डिपार्टमेंट में ब्रिलियंट होना होगा, and that is good looks, and good looks.
Lovely, amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank
It
you
was
so
lovely
much.
interacting with you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.